Welcome to the second part of Right to Information Act 2005. RTI Act came into effect on 12th October 2005. It covers the central, state and local government and all bodies owned, controlled and substantially financed by the respective government. If you see section 2H, the non-governmental organization substantially financed directly or indirectly by the funds provided by the appropriate government. Or section 2E, where executive, judiciary and legislative includes information relating to private body which can be accessed by under any other law for the time being in force. Exception from disclosure of information. You need not disclose information on national security, contempt of court, parliamentary privilege, trade secrets, fiduciary relationship, foreign government, safety of informer and law enforcement, investigation, cabinet papers, privacy, copyright disclosures which would involve infringement of copyrights subsisting in a person other than the state may be rejected according to section 9. We will see illustration. Personal details, income, PAN, sources of funds, partnership details, which was discussed in Dheeraj Manilal Thakur case in 2007. Marks awarded by individual panel experts under different parameters. Manish Dhyaneshwar Dhool case in 2006. The marks awarded by the panel expert to each candidate under different parameters of the confidential nature, and this act has been carried out by them in the fiduciary capacity, which is an exemption under 8(1)(e). Property return and details of property assessment report. Medical report. Bhagwanshan Saksena's case in 2006. As far as the medical report concerned, they are purely personal to the individual, and furnishing of copies of the same would amount to invasion of privacy of the individual, therefore need not be furnished. Next illustration is details of the bank account. In AP Singh vs Punjab National Bank Zonal Officer Ludhiana, the appellant has not indicated any bona fide public interest in having access to the bank account of the company with which he has no association or business relationship. In Theza Iris case in 2006, providing information will not serve any public interest as according to under section 8(1)(j) of the RTI Act, rather adversely affect the fairness and impartiality of the selection process. When you see appeal, first appeal with senior in the department, second appeal with the Information Commission, envisages an independent information commission at the central or the state level to an appellate authority and to oversee the functioning of the Act, his various powers under RTI Act. When you see the penalties, the penalty levied under RTI at the ratio of ₹250 per day and up to a maximum of ₹25,000 is recovered from the salary of the official. Thank you for patiently listening. Thank you.